So merong binigay na given, tapos pinapahanap yung derivative. So ang given is y is equal to 2x plus 3 quantity times 5x squared minus 2 cube. So meron tayong dalawang terms dito. Ito tsaka ito. So gagamitan natin dyan is product rule. So sa product rule, para makuha yung derivative, yung formula na ginagamit is yung u v prime plus bu prime. So ito yung magsisilbing u, ito yung magsisilbing v natin. So which means, yung u natin is 2x plus 3. And yung u, pag kinuha natin yung derivative nun, kakaroon tayo ng 2. Then for b natin, meron tayong 5x squared minus 2, then nakacube siya. So ito, gagamitan natin ito ng chain rule para makuha natin yung derivative. So para makuha natin yung v prime, chain rule gagamitin. So bababa natin yung 3. So magkaroon tayo ng 3 times yung term na to, na 5x squared minus 2. Then babawasan natin yung 3 ng 1. Kaya tayo magkaroon ng squared dito. Then kukunin natin yung derivative ng nasa loob. So yung 5x squared minus 2, yung derivative ng is 10x. So ngayon meron tayong 3 times 10x. Multiply natin yun para makuha natin yung derivative ng b natin. So which means 3 times 10x is 30x. Then copy natin yung 5x squared minus 2 squared. So therefore meron tayong u, meron tayong u prime, meron tayong v, tapos meron tayong v prime. So plug na lang natin yan dito sa formula ng product rule. So in this case, ito na yung u natin, 2x plus 3. Yung v prime natin is 30x times 5x squared minus 2 squared plus yung v natin which is 5x squared minus 2 cube. Ito yun. Then yung u prime is yung 2. So ngayon, mapapansin natin na yung 5x squared minus 2 pati 5x squared minus 2 dito ay common term sila. So pwede natin i-factor out. So yung factor nila is 5x squared minus 2 squared, yung pinakamababang exponent. So kung squared to, cube to, pare sila, yung squared yung kukunin natin pag nagpa-factor out. Then ngayon, sa term na to, ay matitira na lang, makakancel na to. Ibig sabihin, mayroon na lang 30x times yung 2x plus 3 para dito yon. Then sa kabilang term, kung kinuha natin itong dalawa, may matitira pang isa, then yung 2, multiply natin. Sundan. Then ngayon, i-expand natin to, pati ito. So magkakaroon tayo ng copy lang, 5x squared minus 2 squared. Tapos ito pag in-expand, 30x times 2x is 60x squared. 30x times 3 is 90x. Plus 2 times 5x squared is 10x squared. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So ngayon, i-combine na lang yung terms na pwede. Meron tayong 60x squared dito, tsaka 10x squared dito. Pwede natin i-combine. So ngayon, yung derivative ng given natin na y is equal to 2x plus 3 times 5x squared minus 2 cube is the quantity 5x squared minus 2 squared. Tapos pag ito, sinimplify, magiging 70x squared plus 90x minus 4. So ito yung magiging derivative niya. So, yun lang.